Experiencing issues with your Beautyrest heated blanket? Common problems include heating issues, timer malfunctions, or blinking lights. Most of these can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. The first step is to perform a complete reset of your heated blanket. This simple procedure resolves most common issues and should be tried before considering replacement. Step 1. Turn off the controller completely. Look for the power button and press it to ensure the blanket is fully powered down. Step 2. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. This ensures the blanket is completely disconnected from power. Step 3. If possible, detach the controller cord from the blanket module. This step ensures all connections are fully reset. Step 4. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. This waiting period allows any residual electrical charge to dissipate completely. Step 5. Reconnect everything securely. First, the controller cord to the blanket, then plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Finally, turn the controller back on. Next, check all connections carefully. Ensure the power cord is firmly plugged into a functioning wall outlet and the controller cord is properly connected to the blanket module. Look for any signs of damage to cords and connectors. Damaged wires, exposed connections, or worn areas can cause malfunction and safety issues. For dual control blankets, if only one side is malfunctioning, try swapping the controllers. This helps determine whether the issue is with the controller itself or the blanket's heating element. These troubleshooting steps resolve most common heated blanket issues. If problems persist after trying these solutions, the blanket may require professional inspection or replacement. Beautyrest heated blankets use error codes to communicate specific problems. Understanding these codes helps you identify and resolve issues quickly. Let's examine each error code in detail. The E error is the most general, indicating a disconnection or internal wiring problem that requires checking all connections. E2 and E3 errors both indicate loose connections. These are often resolved by unplugging and firmly reconnecting all cords, ensuring they click securely into place. E4 errors specifically point to poor connections between the controller cord and the blanket module. This requires careful inspection of the connection point and ensuring proper insertion. Safety is paramount when dealing with electrical issues. If you notice any physical damage, such as burn marks, tears, exposed wires, or strange smells, stop using the blanket immediately. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve persistent error codes or heating issues, it's time to seek professional help. Contact JLA Home, the manufacturer, for warranty claims and replacement assistance.